G'day, this is Simon from Tentworld at Archerfield. Today I'm going to show you one of my favourite fridge accessories, which is the Dometic Fridge Stand. So we'll open him up and I'll show you how it all goes. So it packs up like a small chair or a stool basically, so get rid of that. So everything comes with plastic these days, check that out. So nice handy little bag, pack it away like you do your other furniture bits, nice and compact. Yeah. We'll open this up, it's nice and easy. Alrighty, so basically we just pop the legs open like that, slide it out. Now, this will take up to, on its own, well it's rated at 80 kilos, so I suppose you work it out for yourself, probably a 50 or 60 litre fridge with stuff in it. When we go to the 90s, the 75s and the 90 litre Wacos in particular, and the big angles, you can run two of them side by side. The other feature of this is there's two height settings. So if you look on the side there, currently got it set at the lowest setting. We can adjust that up. Just put that hook in there. Put it on both sides, nice and strong, and we can make that a bit higher, so it just sits a bit taller. So we lock all those legs in properly. It's nice and easy. So you run two of those together on a big fridge. You've also got the adjustment there, so you can level that out, because straight away notice that it just needed to be leveled. So if you're on uneven ground, you can just push that leg up a little bit or down and make that nice and easy. Yeah, so there it is, the Dometic Fridge Stand.